Can I just have your full name, a little bit about you?
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm Roy. I'm Roy Lim, the CEO of RoboCore, and this is my booth with the Hong Kong Pavilion this time. And our company is a robot-based solution company. We make the Temi robot, we make the Temi platform, so other people can write different programs onto our robots. We build it into an open platform robot so that everyone can program it, they can design different hardware on top of the platform. And that's basically our vision. We want to make it as open as possible so that people can build on.
So one of the things that I wanted to ask you about was the partnership that you have with Jackys at the moment, right?
Sure.
How is that helping you get the product out there, and how is that helping to feedback to create better products for the future?
So we manufacture our robots in Dongguan, in China, but this is very far away from here. We want to sell to the GCC countries, and we want to have influence here. So we partner up with Jackys, and they have a long history here, and they have a lot of existing customers that probably wants to advance their products into robots, because robots nowadays can help in many different industries. So it could be some offices, it could be schools, or even hospitals, nursing homes, and all of these can be very useful when there are existing customers that they can work with.
I mean, are you doing the full solution, or is Jackys working with you to help you with creating the solution?
So the hardware is one part, a very small part of the solution. But then nowadays there are so many systems out there. There are patient management systems, there are hotel management systems. So what Jackys are doing is they will line up our hardware with a solution that is local in this language, and then we will work with the customer to build something that is personalized for the customers. So that we cannot do from afar. We have to do it locally here.
So what kind of criteria and for the different compliance areas, do you rely on Jackys to do that, or do you work with the software guys to make sure that is done? Is that software also from you?
There are two kinds of compliance. There are CE certificates and the global certificates that we can work from the factory side, but there are also local, some policies that is only existing here that we have to work with Jackys.
Okay, so tell me a little bit, what's next in the line of robotics now? What's next for Temi and what at the particular brand? What can we expect? What our customers can expect from that?
So definitely we are going to expand our SDK to allow our customer to write more programs on it. They can also connect more hardware sensors onto the robot to expand our functions. We are also going to increase the movability of the robot, because we are now facing a little steps upward and some small staircases. We are going to tackle that. So in the future, you will see robots moving up and down. We have already solved the problem of taking elevators. So now we are just want to cover more terrain in the whole world.
Okay, all right, that sounds good. How was GITEX been for you as a show?
GITEX is amazing. This is probably the largest show that I have ever been. This is my first time in Dubai.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I always been in the airport and transiting, but this time I actually came out, look at the huge buildings, huge population here with the variety. So we really look for a very good partnership here in Dubai.
Where do you see more opportunities for Temi in the Middle East region?
I think in the hospital area, basically everywhere in the world have aging population, and we don't have enough nurses, doctors, and especially here it is a very diverse. Like everyone lives in different cities which are further away from each other, and we need this kind of telemedicine so that the doctor and patients can communicate with each other from far away.
Okay.
Yes.
And then that's the biggest application for Temi at the moment. Is there another area that you're strong in?
Yes, we are also very good in education. We are talking with some schools from Saudi, from here,
Okay.
and they are very interested in using our robot as a STEM education tool.
Okay.
So they will use the MIT Scratch, we use our Temi Center, and teach people how they can use this robot in different industry in the future. Actually, in Singapore University, our robot has become a mandatory item to learn in an MBA program.
Okay.
You have to learn it before you can graduate.
Excellent. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.